Welcome back, guys, to the very first episode of the build. In today's video you're gonna follow me as I remove everything from the engine bay, pretty much as I can, and then I'm gonna clean the parts since they are extremely dirty, all dusty, oily. Haven't washed the car in so long, not the exterior but the interior, like the engine bay and the actual interior of the car. So we're gonna start with that, and as I remove everything from the car, I'm gonna pretty much say my plans for the build. So whenever I'll explain how I'll do the airbox, intake manifold, exhaust manifold, and so on. So I'm gonna put you on my tripod over here. You guys are gonna be in a time lapse, and then sometimes I'm gonna start the time lapse and to explain with more details. Alright, so I had to stop the video for a little bit since my battery was very low. So quick update: airbox, air intake, charge pipe, throttle body pipe, and the intercooler all off. Obviously plastic covers are off too, there's only the timing cover protector. So now I still have the intake manifold, exhaust manifold and turbo, and then the accessory belt and timing belt to remove. Then I'll just drop the whole subframe and then put the new engine back with the refresh transmission too. So in the next video you're gonna see me clean all of the parts I just took out, all of them pretty much, and then I'm also gonna show you what I'm gonna be doing. So this airbox here, so I'm gonna redo it but in carbon fiber. Also this air intake, the OEM air intake that takes air out of this scoop here. So this design is very flawed since there's an opening right over here, so most of the air goes straight through and doesn't go inside of the airbox. So I'm gonna also tackle this problem. I'm gonna probably 3D scan this area and then design a couple parts, like 3D print them, test fit them, and the final product is gonna be out of carbon fiber as well. I'm also working on an intake manifold, so I'm gonna be offering two options. First one's gonna be half billet aluminum with carbon fiber pre-pegged plenum, and the second option would be 100% CNC billet aluminum as well. I'm also gonna be showing you my tubular manifold that I got done. I'm also gonna be offering it as well. It's gonna be available with a V-band, T3 or T4 adapter, so you pretty much choose which one you want. Also gonna be showing you how I deleted the AC system, so right over here, how I'm gonna be deleting the heating system as well, and how I was able to remove the condensator for the AC, resulting in a huge space at the front for a bigger intercooler. I'll be able to fit a 4.75 inches wide intercooler in here and still have almost half an inch, 3/4 of an inch space between the radiator. If you look underneath, just see if it's focused. So here you can see the adapter plate that I made at the very bottom. So I still use the OEM spec accessory belt while not having any issues, no nothing, no compressor, and the fan doesn't stay on even though there's no compressor, so no pressure in the system. I'm gonna also show you how I did. It's a small adapter that you can plug in the connector that usually goes here. Just see, focuses. So here there's this little connector, and it holds the sensor. So I'm gonna also show you how I tackled that. If you guys made it till the end, I really appreciate you, and I'm gonna be posting the second episode very soon. So until then, I'm gonna see you next week.